Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to mask in Framer. First I want you to just select the layer that you want to mask. Okay, so I've selected this layer, and then on the right hand panel, if you scroll down until you see styles, okay, now once I click on styles right here, you'll see a bunch of different options. First we need to toggle on mask. So I'll click on this and then you see the different masking options. Okay, so I'll click here on linear, and now as you can see we have different ones. So we have linear gradient, and you can easily adjust this. You can rotate this, you can adjust the alpha as well. Okay, let me move this here. You can go ahead and change this slider. Okay, you can increase and decrease the percentage, as you can see. And here, let me increase the alpha. I'll show you. This is what it would look like. And now you can also use these different options as well. For example, here we have radial gradient. Okay, you can adjust this. We have right here the conic gradient, and here you can also use an image to set a mask as well. Okay, there's different options, but that is how you can mask in Framer.